It's 6-1 direction. On our comeback tour. What day night, it was the best game ever. 6-1 injury time, the biggest comeback ever. We were 4-0 down, but did we give up? Never. 6-1 was a night, it was the best game ever. Maybe it's the way I walked. Oh, straight into the box to head it. Yeah. Yes. Kustawa Uji retard. Ow. Neymar had his shit bone-handed. We said, can you give the ball to me?